Yes, it is. Wagens Thru Withlacoochee.
Woo, yeah.
In VolksMania.
Right there, VolksMania 16, 2023 for winter. Definitely go check it out. It's in all Barnes & Nobles and Books A Millions. Or if you'd like to get an awesome VolksMania subscription to keep reading all the great issues from the team.
Quality.
And very quality, thick pages, very nice. Then check the link down in the description and go check it out. Use code JustBuggin10 to get 10% off on your subscription. But let's flip over to page 88.
It's quite windy out here.
It is very windy. There you go, Wagens Thru Withlacoochee, the first one and the second one. I wrote the whole thing. In this issue of VolksMania, I want to go back in time and tell you about when we spent some time in the forest of Florida, getting a little lost in our VWs. Just Buggin family was heading to the Holder Mine Campground in Withlacoochee State Forest in Inverness, Florida to attend the inaugural Wagens Thru Withlacoochee off-roading camping event hosted by the lovely Dune Buggy Bros team. I won't get into the rest of it. You guys got to go read it for yourself. The cool thing about it is as you read along, there'll be captions under pictures, there'll be QR codes. So you could either read this first and then go check out the series, or you can watch the series and then check out this. I think personally the best way to do it is to read this first.
Yep.
And then go watch the series, because
it comes to life.
Yeah, you're reading it, you're understanding the story, you're envisioning it, and then you watch it.
Then you get to live it.
And you get to live it. Exactly how we lived it. I mean, you'll get to see some friendly faces in here that you've seen before. You got Sean Russo, Colby, Bo, Jeff Garner, Dub
Lots
World.
of characters.
Anybody fancy Cave Doritos? You know, by Peter?
Friendly FWC officer there.
And then you'll get to see all 40 or 50 people that showed up.
Oh yeah.
Which is just awesome. You'll see the artwork for the Wagens Thru Ocklawaha.
Just got back from Wagens Thru Ocklawaha, and we were the only stock Beetle in the event. Didn't get stuck. The only breakdown we had was the end of the accelerator cable snapped, and so it was no big deal. Yeah. Quick fix, back on the road.
Now, there was some people that fared a little worse than us.
You'll have to stay tuned to see that one.
So there'll be 2 events a year, one in Withlacoochee, one in the Ocklawaha.
2 different complete sets of trails.
2 different campgrounds, 2 different vibes, but a great vibe. We got pretty dirty in the 66 Wannabe, motors covered in mud.
Did great with the new motor.
Built by John Moe, West Coast Core. Definitely go check him out. We hope you guys go check it out and love it. Stay tuned for the next VolksMania issue 17.
Surprise, surprise, surprise.